Page 50, we got some more stuff here on major triads and minor triads on page 51. Well, let's just talk. On page 50, major triads. Remember a major triad. A triad is a 3-note chord. All right, let's take C major. It's where we start. C chord, that's fine. And a major triad is a major third and a minor third stacked on each other. Major third, minor third. Major third is 4 half steps. That's how you can figure them out if you need to. So let's start here. So that's 1 half step, 2, 3, 4. It's a major third. A minor third is 3 half steps. So we're here. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's a major third and a minor third is a major triad. Here you're just going up all the notes and sticking with major triads. Well, that's easy to do because then every note just goes up a half step. So this goes up, and that goes up. The idea is eventually you get comfortable enough with these, you just do them. Both hands together. You can tell I've been doing this a while. Those are the major triads. Starting with C, I mean, we're doing all of them, so you could start on any note, anywhere, and you just go up the whole piano. If you want to go down, you can go down too. Get the idea. That's what they're doing. The bottom of the page, they have a combination of the broken cut triads and the blocked, so it's here. Just keep going. Yeah, whatever. At the top of page 51, they give you different variations where you can do the octaves. So we're here, just playing the bottom note. These are things to think about when you get into improvising on lead sheets, because this kind of thing, I mean, you're only playing one note name and octaves, but still it's part of a chord, it's part of the harmony, and you may want to try it out on some things. It may work. Then at the bottom of page 51, it's the minor triads. You can do all that stuff you did before with major, with minor. A minor triad is simply you turn the major over, and instead of a major third, minor third, it's a minor third, major third. So on C, we take the major third, make it a minor, you just bring it down. So really all you're doing is lowering the middle note, because that's a minor third. 1, 2, 3. And that's a major third. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all those. So you can do that with that too. You're here, and you go up. These are all minor thirds. It works the same way. Each one goes up a half step. Here. Just think about it. Take your time with it. It all goes up, and eventually you get to where you can do these. Same thing. I've been doing it forever, but that's sort of the idea. And then you can do that octave thing with these two. Have fun. Switch it. Let the left hand play the chords and the right hand play octaves. Here. And majors too. we really want to get across here is the difference in the sound between the major chord and the minor chord. You eventually, a minor chord has a little darker, sadder feel to it. Because if I do major all this time, and I do minor, it just has a darker feel to it. And so you learn to hear the difference, because then you'll hear a chord, you can tell if it's major or minor. Unless, of course, it's augmented or diminished or some other creature we don't know about. But right now we're dealing just with major and minor chords. Let me know if you have any questions, but that's basically what this is about. Comes in handy when you're improvising.